Hi, this is Chris. I'm a tiler, Gold Coast, Australia. I've been doing this for 35 years and I'm about to show you what I know, and hopefully you people out there can pick up a few things, tricks of the trade. First of all, I'm going to be taking off this door, taking out the shower, moving it over to the door jamb, making it all bigger, taking out the toilet, new toilet, taking out this bath, a new bath goes in, freestanding bath. It's all the go, all the rage here on the Gold Coast of Australia. Bigger tiles are all the rage, and up to the ceiling. The vanity comes out, new vanity, tiling up to this height, 1200 over on this wall, up to the ceiling. Around here, all the tiles are 600 by 600, floor and wall, same tile. It'll look fantastic. I'll be on it approximately 6 days, and then the plumber will come in, fitting a new vanity, fitting the bath and the toilet and the taps. Yeah, well, this is the shower floor. It's had a leak, and it's pretty well stuffed. Anyway, so we'll repair that, waterproof it. What hasn't been done is there's no puddle flange, so it hasn't been waterproofed properly in the first place. And you get that in Australia. People don't use a puddle flange and they don't do it properly, and it's stuffed. A freestanding bath is now going there once the plumber has moved the pipes. Okay, well, this is the niche that I've done for the bath. I was going to make it a little bit bigger, but there's too much timber behind here, so we've gone a little bit smaller. But that's all right, that's cool. Here, I'm shifting that niche. There's too much timber there to take out, so I'm moving it to this wall. The plumber's coming in the morning, so that pipe will come over here now for the water from the shower. The tap will stay there. That's all cool.